We just received a glowing review from someone who's thrilled about our top-notch 5-star service. It makes us proud to share such great compliments with everyone now.
WJD Management really impressed me with their quick service. When the heat went out while I was staying with friends in one of their properties, we submitted a maintenance request through the website and WJD sent out an HVAC contractor out right away. Price was maybe a little on the high end, but the heat was only out a few hours. Absolutely recommend.
We want you to experience the best service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We are only one call away from serving you.